Let me show you around here a bit. In Noida, of course, it's the urban voters who really hold the key to a victory in this seat. And we saw some early morning voters here, some those women on their morning walks, etc. And a young voter here as well. Let me get in a sense from him. What's her name?
My name is Ushan.
So, quite early morning for you. You've come to cast your vote. As a young voter, as a first-time voter, what are your issues? What do you cast your vote on?
Well, I am casting my vote based on just one thing. I want a government which is stable. I don't want a coalition. I don't want instability in my country. And that is what I'm voting for.
Okay. And what does stability in a government mean for you?
Stability in the government means someone who has clear majority, someone who, can make his decisions, can take stand for himself and does not come under pressure.
That's a very interesting, perspective there from a young first-time voter who's saying that stability in a government is very important. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए.
संजीव भार्गव.
भार्गव साहब, अभी ये बता रहे थे कि स्टेबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट में बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन आप लोग किन मुद्दों पर वोट करें? यहाँ पर एक नोएडा में भी बड़ा इशू है कि अर्बन एपैथी बहुत है, लोग वोट कम करने आते. पिछली बार भी लगभग 60% था वोट परसेंटेज, वोट शेयर. वो आपको लगता है कि धीरे धीरे और ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्लेसेंसी?
No. This year the people are very energetic and enthusiastic, and within our sector and locality also we are promoting them to come out, whichever party they vote for. We are promoting them to come out and vote, even if they don't like the candidate, press the nota. But come out and vote. Come out and vote as per your choice. I personally feel that this should be for the development, performance, stability, all those things.
You've cast your vote?
Yes, I've cast.
Okay, you've cast your vote there. So some early morning voters here. Let me get in a sense from some women here as well. आप लोग ने अपना वोट कास्ट कर लिया मैम? नहीं. अभी वेट कर रहे हैं.
We are doing the service.
अच्छा, you're doing the
You are taking mobiles of the people, and because mobile is not allowed inside.
And then you'll cast your vote later after.
I'm going to cast my vote now.
So as women, what are some of the issues here? In Noida, the home buyers issue is a very prominent one. Maintenance of high-rise buildings, etc. There was a no registry, no vote campaign here as well. But as women, of an urban center like Noida, what are your issues?
I think there is not much issues in the Noida. It has developed very fast,
right.
And they are doing very well in Noida, and they have developed very much. And as you said, the property-wise, then it's everywhere. That problem is everywhere, right. Not in Noida only. Right. So
with development comes some sort of shortcomings as well. What do you see in a candidate? Do you look at the larger national picture? After all, these are general elections. Do you look at larger national messaging or local issues?
I see both of the things, because as a citizen of this country, national issues are equally important, as well as who is the candidate. And Dr. Mahesh Sharma is a wonderful person. Right. He had been, serving the people of Noida for so many years, and he is highly approachable. There's no arrogance or anything like this. You cannot talk to him, you cannot phone him any time. You can approach him, and he is always ready to help you out.
Right. So it's Mahesh Sharma versus Mahendra Singh Nagar here, of course, who's a joint SP and Congress candidate. Remember, there were multiple flip-flops. Akhilesh Yadav finally placed his bets on the Samajwadi Party veteran. It's a doctor versus doctor fight here in Noida. And remember, there are close to 25 lakh voters here. Multiple, surveys have suggested that Noida is among the highest, is among the constituencies which has the highest first-time voters. So that is also going to be crucial. And remember, it's not just Noida here in Uttar Pradesh. A couple of other important seats, including Mathura, Meerut, Amroha, Aligarh, all these crucial seats going to polls. And in the past couple of days, we saw how the campaign was sharply divided after the Prime Minister's remarks. So let's see how all of that plays out. But in Noida, it's a key urban center. So it's the urban voters who hold the key to a victory in this crucial seat. Of course, it's known as a real estate capital. So all of those issues as well here. But voting has begun. Early morning voters here, heavy security. And Mahesh Sharma of the BJP, who is a former minister and a BJP strongman, he will be casting his vote in a short while from now. Parmeshwar.